Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir on July 23rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at roughly $28.2. And my main assumption at this very point was that because of the candlestick analysis that shows us perfect rejection out of $29 mark, the main idea was that this asset should go lower, and we have to see the retracement that might land somewhere at $26.5 or so. And here's the actual price action. As you can see, we were at this point, and right after I made my previous video, this asset lost to the lowest point about 11% of its value. And for now, as you can see, it is hovering right under this range of resistance that previously was the range of support. And guys, take a look how precise the technical analysis is. I drew this line back in the days. You can see the same line even right here at $27.6. And here's the same exact line, $27.6. And we touched this line as the range of resistance and went below it. So this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, let's take a look on the price action again. I have to say that I caught a lot of Palantir's movements back in the days, and for now, let me show you that we have very good range of support that potentially works even with these two bottoms. And I have to say that, guys, as you can see, I didn't draw any new lines. All ranges of support and resistances was drawn by me back in the days, and this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is. But what should we expect next from the fundamental standpoint? I have to say that if you take a look on the consensus analyst price target, you can see that since I made my previous video, we have two new price targets that was set by Jeffrey Financial Group and by Citigroup. Both of them boosted the price target from $24 and $25 respectively, and they set it at the exact same level at $28 mark, which implies, guys, I have to admit that which implies not so much of upside potential from our current range, about 3.53%. On top of that, if you take a look on the consensus analyst price target that is set at roughly $22, we have about 18.3% of downside potential from current level. And that is why, guys, in the medium-term perspective, we have to be cautious, because retracement is ahead of us on Palantir. And let me show you another quite interesting news. Not the news, but the fact that we have to be cautious. If you type in Google search bar Palantir stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find a lot of recent news that might be related to its bullishness. And that is the sign that the market sentiment might change in upcoming weeks. And that is why you have to be cautious again. So, if you take a look on the so-called smart money investors list, and first of all, I want to pay attention again on this chart, we have the highest level of institutional investors who want to hold Palantir in their investment portfolios. But right here, we have quite interesting updates. Couple of companies closed their long positions. One of them was a pure long position. Second one was the call option position, and they closed it completely. One company opened a new position for almost $700,000 And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. Another company, Vanek Associates Corporation, added 83% to its position, and their position for now is almost 3 million shares. Here we can see the typo. They hold not 74,000 but $74 million, as you can see right here. And for now, their position costs almost $78.5 million. In general, we can see a very bullish sentiment from these so-called smart money investors. But at the same time, guys, keep in mind that this is not the deal execution date. It is just a filing date. And the real deal happened at least 45 days prior, at the Q2 of this year. That is why, guys, it is just a sentiment for the long-term holders. Long-term, I mean more than 12 and even 18 months. And I think we have to take a closer look on its price action in order to find out in which direction this asset might go. So let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely if we connect these two ranges of support and resistance, we can see that potentially it might be the quite bullish pattern. It is an ascending triangle. If I mark it like this, we can clearly see that it is an ascending triangle. But I have to say that if you take a look on a bigger picture, let's switch to daily time frame. Let's turn off all the tools. You can see that Palantir is in an uptrend for more than a year, from the very beginning of May of last year till present day. And we can see that it hit, if we connect these several tops, these tops pretty much are on one line. On top of that, with this top, we hit the range of resistance that I marked previously, and it is the same range which it hit back in September of 2021. On top of that, guys, take a look on a weekly time frame. We can see even a bearish divergence on our side. We have higher highs on the price action and lower highs on our side. At the same time, guys, our side on a weekly time frame is in neutral territory. This means it has a room to grow, and this divergence might be broken. That is why I think we are about to see deeper retracement, but it will not be the longest retracement. That is why, guys, let's continue with the 1 hour time frame, and let's turn on all the tools. I have to say that this asset is still very bullish in the long-term perspective, but in the short term, I think we have to break this range of support, and we have to land somewhere lower. Where we might land, I will show you right after the breakout below. Let me delete unnecessary tools. Right after the breakout below this range of support, if it happens. And then I will do another update to project the ranges of its short-term bounces. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.